Welcome to Whisper Wonders, where sports meets adventure. Dive into the thrill, feel the passion. Your support fuels our quest, so subscribe and join the journey. Thanks for watching.
The African tribe that competes to become fattest is the Bodi tribe. The Bodis are found along the lower Omo Valley River in southern Ethiopia. They are neighbors to the Mercy people. The major occupation which they got themselves involved in is farming. That is to say that they are agriculturalists. They still engage themselves in trade by the barter system, and this takes them miles to seek for what they have in exchange. The Bodi actually value their cow, whose blood and fresh milk are the source of food and fattening processes in the land. Despite the Western civilization, Ethiopia has not thrown their culture into mud. They ensure that this culture is well preserved down to the next generation. The Bodi holds a yearly or annual festival in which any man who is picked to have the fattest belly is honored and celebrated. This yearly festival is called Kalahari at the start of each year, especially the month of June. According to the Gregorian calendar, is the actual time or period this celebration holds. Kaya Celebrate, a competition categorically made for the men who are not married. This process entails the drinking of raw blood, cow's milk and honey as a fattening diet to gain this honor. They are selected from 14 tribes to participate in this competition. The duration in which this diet can be taken is 6 months. During this preparation ground, these men are exempted from sex, physical work, and not permitted to be seen outside. They only remain in their hut, where they can only be served with their diet that contains rich calories. Cows are sacred to the Bodi. They do not kill them. They only sort for their blood by puncturing their vein, collect a pot of blood, and seal the wounded part with clay. This milk and blood containing 2 liters is served at sunrise, and the men have to consume several of them throughout the day. If they want to have a chance to win during this KL celebration, it wasn't an easy task for some of these men. When consuming this, they found it irritating, and because of its high protein, they forcefully vomited them. But it's such happening as much. During the KL celebration, the men cover themselves with ashes and clay and display their acrobatic skill. They also take part in running around the sacred trees for hours as they are assisted by their. While this celebration goes on, the spectators or judges watch all that partook to rightly judge impartially. When a winner is declared by an elderly judge, they crown the person as the fat man of the year. After the festival, the men's stomach can shrink back to its normal state. This can happen after a few weeks. The only prize for the winning contestant is popularity, fame, and respect. It is a high honor for the Bodi that winners are seen as local heroes. In conclusion, the Ethiopian tribe, where men are considered the most attractive and competitive, are the Bodi. They compete in the village by drinking a gruesome mixture of cow blood and milk, while living in isolation to see the effectiveness of the diet taken, awaiting the KL celebration. This practice or culture is still in existence as it valued than any other influenced culture. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe for more.